Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to block USB connections while your phone is locked. So if you want to stay safe on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you want to block any USB connections while your phone is charging to a computer, a PC or a MacBook, then let me show you how you can enable this feature. So first go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see security and privacy. Now scroll down until you see more security settings. From here, you need to find this option called Block USB Connections While Locked. So currently it's switched on. However, for you, if it is switched off, go ahead and turn this on. It'll protect your data, prevent USB devices from connecting when your phone has been locked for more than an hour. So there you go guys, that is how to block a USB connection while locked on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.